AI is amazing. It can help write emails, explain complex topics, even brainstorm your next big idea. But there's one thing it shouldn't do. Don't treat AI like a diary or a bank. Never enter things like your full name, social security number, passwords, or even sensitive work documents. If you wouldn't post it on a public website, don't type it into AI. Instead, use AI to get creative ideas, simplify research, or learn something new. Ask general questions, but keep the private stuff offline. Want extra privacy? Turn off chat history. In ChatGPT, just go to Settings, Data Controls, and toggle Chat History and Training off. This way, your chats won't be stored or used to train future AI. Working from home? Don't copy-paste company secrets into AI. It's not worth the risk. AI is a tool, not a vault. Use it wisely, protect your data, and stay in control. Like this video? Hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs a data safety reminder.